Waking up, feeling the taste of our fight last night. Breaking up, making a mess of an all good life. And now that you're gone, I'm thinking about old times. I've waited so long for this to be over. And now that I'm free from all the chains you've kept me in, I'll be okay. Now that I've found the only way to get myself home again, I'll be okay.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share a very special video with you all. I'm taking the smallest room in my house and giving it a very girly makeover. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, you may remember this was originally my beauty room. Now I've had a bed in here, then my husband built me that wardrobe system, and I'll leave that video for you here if you'd like to see how we did that. But I decided that I really wasn't using this room at all, guys. So I have my little great nieces come and visit me from time to time, and they love walking through the home and looking at all things pink. So I decided that I would use that as my vision when it came to this room. Now off camera we removed the wardrobe system, and then we headed off to Bunnings for some more of this VJ paneling. Now this is panels of shiplap, guys, that we use right throughout our home. We also picked up some pine, and I just want to tell you, this was a DIY that we didn't really know we were going to do. Now my original vision was I wanted to shiplap the entire room, guys, but my husband was standing in the room and going, Michelle, really? Do you really want to shiplap the entire room? And of course I was like, well, what else can we do? And he came up with the idea of doing the chair rail and doing the VJ paneling halfway up like we have throughout the rest of the home. Now, as he started to put everything together, guys, I was thinking, oh my goodness, what am I going to do next? And I started shopping my own home, and I found a lot of wallpaper that I forgot I had. And here you can see that I have the tufted wallpaper. Now, I absolutely love it, but I was trying to work out whether or not to keep it or start all over again. Now, once my husband was finished, he then went in and painted it with 2 coats of Dulux Vivid White off camera. Now, while he was painting, I did what Chelle does best. I went shopping, guys. And of course, I had to take a trip to Kmart. And I fell in love with this beautiful cottage garden quilt cover set in a single bed. Now, when I was driving to Kmart, I had a vision for a gallery wall above the bed, so I picked up some inexpensive frames. I then headed off to Spotlight, and I had an idea in mind to use some of their pretty scrapbook paper.
Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you.
guys, I ended up using some of the scrapbooking paper, but I also used some printouts from Etsy.
Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
Now guys, you know I'm a big fan of Facebook Marketplace, and I decided that I would search for Marketplace first of all to see what I could come up with when it came to a single bed. Now guys, here in Australia we have a beautiful store called Early Settler Furniture, and I absolutely love shopping in there, guys. Now you wouldn't believe my luck. For my Australian friends who know Early Settler Furniture, they know that this bed is called the Brittany bed, and it's very expensive at Early Settler. But you wouldn't believe my luck, guys, when I found it on Facebook Marketplace.
I swear that I'll stay here with you.
Now, before putting the bed together, I decided to go above the chair rail with this Kmart pink and white check wallpaper.
All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise I won't leave your side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love, love.
Now guys, you may remember my beautiful rug from TK Maxx that is leopard print. I also added this sheepskin rug as well as a little pink ottoman.
Give me love, give me all your love.
Now guys, this little white cupboard was already in the room, so I decided to keep it there.
Give me all your love, give me
I added a coffee table book as well as this gorgeous white vase.
love. Give me all your love, give me all your love.
You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine. But I can see that you don't.
Now I also added these beautiful ruffled white curtains to the window, and I had this mirror, guys, which I thought fitted the theme very beautifully, and I added that to the tufted wallpaper wall.
You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I look at you and know it's
Guys, I absolutely love how this little room came. I feel like the room went to another level when we added the VJ paneling on the walls.
That's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you've got style, the way your body keeps my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy for love. I don't need another love. Yeah, we do this every day. We do this love for life.
If you're new to my channel, I'd love to welcome you here. My name's Michelle, but most people call me Chelle, and I'm an Australian YouTuber who absolutely loves sharing my passion for home decor. I share DIY projects, inspirational ideas, and home tours of my home. So if that's something that may interest you, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
You are the only thing
love sharing my ideas with you. Do you have a small space in your home and do you find it challenging? Leave me a comment down below what you found the most challenging in that room.
Need someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating a small room.
Here's the change within us, there is a light.
I hope you all have an amazing weekend, and I'll be back next week, guys, on Wednesday morning at 8 a.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for more videos here at Chelles Glam Home.